Testnet.com, and we're going to show you how to deploy contracts on a test blockchain as a testnet chain. For you to do this on a mainnet chain, it means you're going to need to pay some amount of money. But since we are deploying on a testnet chain, it means there's no money to pay. We're using this actually for our testnet airdrop transaction to see if we can up our game when it comes to doing testnet airdrops. And here we are going to be deploying on the Nexus testnet. I'm going to take you back to Twitter and see how we got to that place. We are following this thread of this post. Like I said earlier, first thing you want to do is to click here and follow Nexus on Twitter, and then you do bridge, and then you claim test tokens here with this link, and then you bridge, and then you do transactions. I've already done that in the previous video. Transaction means sending the token to another wallet. Do it up to 10 or 5 to 10 times. Now we are here at deploying of contracts, and we click this link which brought us to Kiwi browser. I'm going to wait for it to reload. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is to click on connect wallet. Connect wallet, and then ensure that you are actually in the browser, that's Kiwi or Mrs. Because if you click a link on Twitter, it will load on Twitter. So once you are clicking on connect wallet, nothing is going to connect. The best thing to do is once you click on Twitter, on link on Twitter, you click a place like this. You click here, right? And then you will see somewhere that says open in browser. Open in browser. In a list like this, maybe somewhere below you see open in browser, so that it will bring you into the primary browser that you want to use. Now you click on connect wallet. That's the first option here, not continue. You click on connect wallet, and then you choose MetaMask. You wait for it to load up. Now if it's not confirming automatically, okay, it's taking me to the wallet already. Had it been it did not prompt me into my wallet, I would have just clicked here, right? And then I'll find the transactions down already prompting here. I'll have to click MetaMask to take me into my MetaMask wallet. Just watch what's gonna. Alright, I've been to my wallet to approve the transaction, and now it is telling me to sign. So I'm going to click on this sign button. Right, if it doesn't prompt me back into the wallet, you know what I'm going to do. I will go to MetaMask by myself. Just wait until the prompt shows up. Wait a little bit. If it doesn't prompt you, you will need to click here and then scroll down and select transactions in MetaMask. By then you should already be seeing that something like 1 is showing somewhere here. That means it has prompted. But if it hasn't shown, it means you need to wait a little longer while this circling is happening. So we're here, and all I have to do is click on sign. I think it's connected, so I need to go back to web. I hope it doesn't reload. As you can see, it's automatically taking me in, and here we have my balance, and here we have my wallet connected. So the next thing I want to do is to click on deploy, and you wait. So once you click on deploy, you wait for it to load up a page like this. Now the first thing you want to do is to click on this upload image. Select any image in your phone, and that will be the picture of your token. So let's just wait and see what I'm going to do. I'll just look for any image in my phone and select. I can decide to use this hamster combat image. I can decide to use this one right here. Just check for any image, something that looks like a token. I can select this Telegram, token here. For that purpose, let me just select Telegram and click done. All right, I can call it Telegram token. Or let's say TG token, and then symbol I might say TGT. Description, you say Telegram token contract. So basically, it doesn't mean you have to repeat the same word I'm using. This is an example of how I'm creating my own. So for your own, you would have to use another thing, or you can use the same thing. It doesn't really matter. Just deploy the token. Just deploy it. So now I've entered the token details. I've entered the TG token. That's the name. The symbol is TGT, and the description I just saw Telegram token contract, or you can say Telegram token description, whatever. And then you come here. As you can see, it is already, we are deploying on Nexus network testnet. So you click on deploy. I don't want this video to be more than 10 minutes, so I'm going to make sure it doesn't. So as you can see, contract deployment is being prompted. Now, chances are that this will not prompt you into your wallet to confirm the transaction. So you would have to come here and look. You click here, this three menu, like we always do, and you check if it is prompted already in MetaMask. If you are not seeing any sign of one here in a green, something beside this Telegram, beside this MetaMask MetaMask logo, that means you should wait a little longer for this circling to happen a little longer. This is basically how to deploy contract in any other chain. Before you do this, before you even click this third web link, ensure that you have already switched to the network that you want to deploy. You switch to the network you want to deploy it. Otherwise, you might get confused on what is going to happen automatically. So let's see if it has prompted. Yes, it has. So now we have to just click on the MetaMask and wait for this to happen. So we are here. I'm going to confirm the transaction. Once I confirm it, probably don't wait for this rolling to happen. Go back immediately and stay on the page so that it does not reload. Stay on the page. Once it confirms, it will bring you down to adding to dashboard. You have to go into your wallet and confirm that one again. Wait for this one to, okay, it is confirmed. So you now have to check and see if it is prompted. If not yet, then you need to wait a little longer, or we can just try and go back in to the wallet and see. All right, contract has actually been deployed. So I need to go back there to see what happened. It's still adding to, okay, you see, successfully deployed. You wait for it to load, for it to take you to your contract details. You can decide to mint the token. So how do you mint this token? Let's say you want to actually have this token minted in your wallet. Now look what I'm going to do and where I'm going to click. You can see that the contract checklist is not yet complete. Contract deployment has been done. It is marked. First minting of the token hasn't happened. So I'm going to click on this green button that says token tab. Watch carefully. You may need to actually repeat this video. This is a different video showing you how to deploy contract. That's the first thing you actually should watch before you start any testnet project. So here we are on the page. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is once this thing loads up, you see burn, you see airdrop, you see transfer, which means you can actually do airdrop for people. This token you just created. This is you creating a token on a blockchain, right? So now we're going to mint the token. You don't have any token yet. You just deploy the contract. Now you click mint and you type the amount you want to mint. How many of this TG token do I want to mint? Let me mint 1 billion token. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So that's 1 billion token, and I'll click mint. So you wait for the transaction to prompt in your wallet by checking here. Yeah, if it's not there yet, you need to wait a little longer. So now we need to go back. We need to go to MetaMask because I think it has been prompted. You can see here we have one transaction prompted, and this part we're actually doing is a bonus education. When I learned how to deploy contracts on testnet blockchains, I wasn't taught how to mint the token, or actually, mint the token back into my wallet. I wasn't taught that, so I had to figure this out by myself by going further and looking further past just the deployment. So now let's go to MetaMask and see if this is, if it's not happening. I need to refresh. It is happening. It has already given me the mint. So I'm going to click on this unapproved, and then I'll click confirm. Wait for the confirm button to turn up. Yeah, click on confirm, and your 1 billion token has been minted, the same token you created on the testnet. So now watch the next step. What we're going to do is to actually import this token we just created into Nexus blockchain. Minting is happening, so it is pending. We need to go back to this place and wait for the minting to complete, and then I can collect the contract address there that it has minted. Now, as you know, we have minted this token, and this is the token contract. So this is the token contract. That's the contract. This is what they usually call contract address for any token. So now the token is minted. I minted 1 billion token, which you can see here. Supply, total supply is 1 billion. Total owned by me, 1 billion. The decimal is 18. So I'm going to click this copy sign at the edge here and go back to my wallet after copying it to import the token into my wallet. So for me to do that, I'll have to click tokens, right? Click tokens. And then you click on import token. Click on import tokens. So once you click that, you will paste the contract address that you just copied into this bar. After that, you wait for it to load. Now it is showing me TGT, which is my token symbol, decimal, which is 18. I'll click next. And then here we are. The 1 billion token is imported. I'll click import. Wait for it to load. Token imported successfully. TGT, 1 billion token. So if I want, I can do airdrop, which is actually mass airdrop. I can collect wallets and deploy mass airdrop to those wallets, but let's not waste our time with that. I see that now It is complete. This is a 14-minute video, very, very short. Don't waste your time. Watch it properly and learn. This is actually the big part of blockchain, and bringing out this knowledge for free. Damn it, you should hug me right now. But then I'm not even around for you to hug me. So send out your appreciations. This is not something you get anywhere on the internet for free. Go to YouTube and search. You may not find a video like this. So we're offering it out for free, showing you how to scale up in the blockchain industry and be ahead of many other people who are just, hearsay, follow people without actually knowing and having the real knowledge of how to get things done. So guys, if you came across this video, congratulations. Drop a like on this video, drop a nice comment, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. The details of this whole thing is going to be in this comment section of this video. From there you can also find the link to our Telegram channel and WhatsApp community, and get ready for so many other juicy testnets that you can do to position yourself for a big reward. It's a wrap. Let's go.